Hello everyone. This video is all about explaining descriptive statistics exercise that belong to BAN5023W4A. As a part of this task, we will be extracting some data from US government's data.census.gov, and we create some sort of a visualization for which we give a brief explanation. Okay, so you are supposed to present a Word document that consists of visual design and an Excel sheet that is designed and which contains of a graph that is created by us. So let me show you how we can do that. So when you click on this link, it takes you to this kind of web page where you are supposed to search here for the data. See, it is clearly given in the sample picture, like what we are supposed to type: state tax collections by category. And remember this code, okay? Let me enter state tax collections by state. This is the one. Okay. So category years states 2016. I guess this is the same category years 2016 and GS00TC02. This is the thing. Okay. So now what it is mentioned for the year, we are supposed to collect, download the data for year 2017. So now let us filter it, maybe like it's not working here. Let's filter it here. Select the filter and deselect all and select 2017 and apply. Okay, once we receive this, just download the Excel sheet. Okay, so in Excel format, you can download it. So remember, this Excel sheet is supposed to be used. You can change it to your name also. That's not a problem. Maybe like, um, maybe I will take the same subject name. This is the subject, or this is the subject, and just give the same name, and it will be end by my ID 1401. Okay, so this is what I took, and let me open that. Enable this. If you got this kind of notification, enable. Otherwise, you can straight away work on it. So these are the details. You have what are the columns we are having: geographic area, year. These are two common things, and the meaning of survey, that is also a common thing. Same value is there for everything. Okay, now meaning of aggregate description: total taxes, what type of tax it is, other taxes, property tax, sales, license, income. We are having different things. So you can generate graph for any kind of information, but here if you see, these values and these values are changing. So let us take, anyhow, whatever it is, let us take uh, select this one and go to insert pivot table and click OK. You can create graph in this manner also. Okay, so type of aggregate you are having, what is the amount? Okay, this amount I am bringing it into values. So now it is showing as count. Let me make it value field settings and let me take average. Okay, so I received this kind of error here where it is sheet one. It is because it might be because these values are not considered as, maybe these values are not considered as value, so it might be an error. Let's make it into number. So let me do one thing. I will try it in a different manner. So maybe I will take amount here again, same column. I will copy and paste it, and this one is equal to value of text function. So this usually gives value like this, and I will click it here. I will hide this one, and otherwise what I do is like I will remove this one. If you remove, it will be an error. I will hide this. Okay. Now, and I will generate, I will remove, delete this sheet, delete permanently. Then again, I will generate another pivot chart. Okay. So now, new sheet, I will take aggregate and maybe amount. So you can cross check. Now we can see image, some kind of data here. And this is one kind of visualization we can create. So for this table, we are supposed to generate an explanation. You can take this table and you can explain it. Otherwise, what I can do is again we can generate one more graph related to this. Select this, right click, add data labels, so we can see values. Again, we can sort the values also. So again, here we can click and sort, check the more sort options, ascending order, sort by sum of amount. Okay, this is how. This is the large one, this is small one. Here we sorted it in ascending order. You can take the descending order in second pieces. So now you can see that the data is arranged in descending order. In this way, you can make changes. This is one kind of graph that you can take. And if you can try with other different charts, also you can use pie chart. You can use line chart, whatever. Like you can use this one also, heat map, tree maps. Okay, so you can create any kind of you can use any kind of chart and say any kind of chart type, and you should create an appropriate chart. And for that chart, you are supposed to give explanation. So what kind of explanation we can do when we consider? So what is the data that we have selected? We selected data state tax collections by category. Okay, what are different types of category? For different types of category, we are collecting state tax. Okay, details, tax, state tax details, and you are downloading this file. And for this file, you are creating visual design. So this visual design speaks about total taxes. What are the total taxes that are collected? So next, what is the value of sales and gross receipt? Then what are the income taxes that are collected? What are the license taxes that are collected? So there are different types of taxes details that we are having. Okay, so you can remove this one. Which one it is? 95 total taxes, maybe like I said, different element. Okay, keep that one. Okay, what is the highest value here? Sales, gross tax, and total sales taxes are having highest values. Property tax is the lowest value. You can speak about those values. Okay, so in that way you can do. If you want, you can create an additional diagram in some other sheet. Okay, so again, I took it in a new sheet. You just rename it the relationship. And here I want to take for year, what is the average amount? Okay, here the total sum is there. I will make it average amount. Okay, it is 39 something. This is the average. So when we take all the different type of taxations, the average value is this one. Okay, if you remove, you can remove the year and you can take survey component. For that also the same. You can take different elements, okay, different type of elements, and you can take data. You can take appropriate information. Okay. In this one, rather than average, you can take minimum and maximum. What is the minimum value? And you can take same amount here, and you can also give what is the maximum value. Okay, now you can say that for the state tax collections, the minimum tax value is 190,190,33,861, and the maximum tax that is collected for a different category is 9574. In this way, you can give appropriate explanation based on the table that we are having here. Okay, so now you can make using this one again, you can make a graph kind of thing which speaks about the minimum value and maximum value. Okay, just select right click labels, select right click, add label. So by this, you can say minimum amount is this one, maximum amount is this one. Okay, so create an appropriate diagram using pivot chart and rename these sheets with an appropriate title, save it and submit this file and use the graphs and create a code document which clearly explains about each graph in at least 100 words. Okay, so that is from my side. All the best. Complete it in an appropriate manner. So don't just use whatever the diagrams that I mentioned. Explore the concept, give your own charts, and complete your task. Right? Thank you very much. All the best.